they keep switching teams when they die, so that's why I'm recording. They know you're there. I threw a nade at you. That's good. That way you're out of there. I thought you were going to die, so I threw it. I didn't mean to freaking kill you. I just thought you were going to die, so I threw it. Just stay there where you were at. Stay there. No, go back. One's over here. By the dumpster. He was there. No, he's a one bullet kill him. Where? I'm dead. Run. No, I tried. He ate. I'm coming. They think I'm over there. I'm coming. Don't die. I'm coming. One street. Good job. You're timing out. He's getting flooded right now. As you can see, Merc's getting flooded. I made a video of this earlier. They're known flooders. They're trying to flood him. They're flooding him. As you can see, his connection's good and he's lagging. They're flooding him. Yeah, they switch teams and they flood. Earlier. I got him stunned. I know they do. His connection's starting to drop. They're trying to flood him. As you can see, his connection's dropping. No, don't. No, don't leave. Don't turn off. You're not timed out yet. You're not. Don't do anything. There's 30 seconds left. Look, he timed out. They flooded him. He timed out. That's bullcrap. I know. I have to. Alright, we won. It doesn't matter. They ended the game. They flooded us when we are winning. That's bullcrap, dude. Nah, they're not getting the win. Screw that.